In this video, I want to show you how we can detect the host platform from the Dart code. So within our Flutter application, we first have to import the dart.io module. So we put dart.io. So now we've imported it, we can now use the platform module we can. So for example, on the application, we have this button currently that when you press it, it just adds on to the number. So I'll just build it in here just for the time being, just to show you how it works. So to detect the host platform, you would use platform dot, then you have is Android, is iOS, if is Linux, is Windows, is Mac, etc. Right? So to properly use it in this example, we will use a if case, and if it's platform dot is Android, we will just put in a debug print of Android. And to show you if we have two and it's working, we set up a if another if one. If platform is iOS, we'll do the same, but we'll instead print iOS instead. So let's save that and let's open up our debug console now. We can see it's running. And then if we press the button again, we can now see Android is coming in our debug print, showing it is correctly understanding what host platform we are currently running. And that's as simple as finding out the root host platform via Dart code using Dart.io and also platform.isAndroid, for example, or platform.isIOS.